after the surgery of Mazen Namodekano's wife, and she decided to come out and, share her experience, and kind of to address people for the first time. So I just want to make sure that I bring it the way it is without hiding anything while trying to speak much. So I will allow the video to roll. But before then, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. In case if you are new to this platform, do me a favor. Make sure that you follow us by subscribing. Be the part of the family. Master Mekani is going through challenges, battling his health. And we have seen some videos. I have not talked about it because honestly, I am not happy with the way things are going. I don't know where to start. I don't know if to start blaming our people, the entire Igbo race, or DOS, or the current Eflefus that are calling Masamekano's name, wishing that he end up in prison, they should buy him, they should get him away and all that, as if he has stolen something from them. But the only thing I want to remind us before we go to the program that brought us, here, is just for you to understand that sometimes in life, when you think that you have the opportunity to judge or to promote negativity or push negativity against other people, you may end up setting yourself up. Mas Mekano is somebody who decided to fight for Biafrans and defend everybody, even for the non-Biafrans. He see through what Nigeria is all about, and he says to speak up. Not only speaking, he says to walk the walk. Because some people will talk and never do anything. He decided his own is different. He talked and he also walked the walk. He came out, volunteered himself, abandoned everything that he was doing that could have actually fetched him money. He did not, entertain any of that. He focused on what is going on, and he believed that that's the best way to get, our people, free and rescue everybody that may have issue with or have issue without knowing the cause of their problem. Because some people have problems with what they're facing and they don't even know that because of the structures of Nigerian government, Nigeria as it is today, is the cause of their challenges. All right, and people are not appreciating that. Some people are busy targeting him, calling him names, looking for a way to criminalize him, looking for a way to justify whatever Nigerian government choose to do to him. So his wife is also she faced some health challenges, health issue, and although I don't appreciate most of the things that his wife has done, and I'm not here to talk about it, but many of you know, her role in the condition of Reverend Prime Minister Simon Ekpa, which some people have twisted it, like that guy that called in our platform a few days ago, trying to say that he said not even try. He said that one of the things that he don't like about PM Simon Ekpa for the fact that he challenged or what he said about Mazokano's wife, he forgot the genesis of the story. In life, people it is easy. People love to blame people or create story that will suit their narrative to ignore the main issue. Anyway, like I said, I don't want the video to be too long. Please make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. I can't wait to hear from you on this one. So let us hear what she said, okay, on this video, because I don't want it to be too long like I promised. Watch out. So before then, let me bring this one down. I think something. Let me bring this down. I just want to make sure that I got it. Position it very, very correct without wasting much of your time. Let's try it again and see. And it's still going back to the same issue. So just a moment, because I need to fix it.
Heartfelt gratitude to good evening, my very conscious ladies and gentlemen. within in each and every one of us is the brotherhood, is the blood that is thicker than water. And before I go, I would want to encourage us on the journey to freedom and transformation, which is rarely a straight path. It is often marked by challenges, setbacks, and obstacles that test the resolve of even the most passionate person and or communities, as the case may be. But for us to understand this, for us, the quest for self-determination and liberty remains a beacon of hope and a cause worth pursuing with unwavering commitment. Very importantly, in such times, it is essential, it's very, very pivotal that we remind ourselves of the importance of remaining steadfast and the great advantages that consistency brings to our collective movement. It's very important. Having said that, we need to get back to work. I wish you all peace. Although, as you know, I'm humble. It means that my name is Uchechi. Amen. And I want to tell Okwu. God bless you. Although.
All right, so that is that's Uchechi Kanu there, like many of you know. So I don't want to say much about it, because I don't want to trigger something. You understand? We all have our differences. That's something I don't want to. Let me just keep some of these things to myself. But you know what she did. You that is watching me, you know what she did. I don't want to bring it to her health. Okay, I don't want to start talking about it. Now that she's sick, there's no need to. I don't wish her any bad, but I just pray that everybody should learn how to tolerate each other, how to at least to understand that we are one. PM is going through a lot now. Mazakan is going through a lot now. Seeing some of our people celebrating the Mazakan is where he is, at the same time, seeing people who is not happy that Mazakan is where he is, somehow celebrating that PM is where he is, makes me feel like some of us need help mentally. And like I said, I don't want to dwell much on that. Please tell me what you think about what she said. I want to know. I want to read your comments. Make sure you share this video and give it a thumbs up. God bless you. And of course, subscribe in case if you are new. See you again. Bye bye for now. Take care.